Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You are listening to Financial Survival, sponsored by Discount Gold and Silver Trading. I'm Melody Cedarstrom. Today is Friday, the 5th of June, 2009. And again, thank you for joining us this afternoon. This program is brought to you, of course, by Discount Gold and Silver, 1-800-375-4188. That's 1-800-375-4188. Questions. I only got a few questions for today, folks, so get them sent over immediately, or a little bit later on in the program is okay, too. Direct those to Discount Gold and Silver at yahoo.com. Discount Gold and Silver at yahoo.com. You can visit our website at discountgoldandsilvertrading.net, discountgoldandsilvertrading.net, and you can call us on 800-375-4188. I don't even want to talk about gold today, but I'll tell you what, it's a great day. If you're looking for those dips, we got a dipper today, and we have gold right now trading down. My computer's been goofy all day. Got to be something in the stream of things. Down 26.40 at 9.55. You have silver down 64 pennies at 15.28. Platinum was down 28 at 12.73. Right now I have palladium unchanged, but it was the only one in the green today for a long time, but right now it's unchanged at 2.58. And, the dollar, yeah, right, it's up over 1.21. How often does that happen, Bob? And how normal is that? And probably not very normal. 800-375-4188. And Robert Chapman is joining us from the International Forecaster. And if you would like a complimentary issue from the International Forecaster, you can give us a call. And Bob joins us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Good afternoon, Bob.
Good afternoon.
Yes?
Yes, we had a down day, an up day, and a down day.
Mm-hmm.
And that is the pattern of the United States government. And they are scared out of their minds. And what's going on is very, very powerful. They're having a hard time keeping gold down, even though they banged it a couple of days. And I expect it to probably be a little soft on Monday morning, but after that it should come back. The Dow was up 13, it looks like, but the S&P was up the equivalent of 22, so that means the market really didn't go anywhere, and they were desperate to hold it up. But the feature story for the day, I think, and it is most telling, and that is the yields on the bonds. Now, it wasn't but 2 weeks ago we had a 0.90. In fact, I can trace them back here. I got them right in front of me. It's been, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 days ago, 2 weeks ago, we had a 0.83 yield on the 2-year. Today, we had a 130. Now, for those of you who don't know, and most of you don't because you haven't been in the markets, the job, one of the four main jobs of the Federal Reserve is to keep short-term rates in line with what they want them to be. And they're desperate to hold down short-term rates. 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 180 days, which is 1 year, and the 2-year paper. They usually don't go after the long end. Long end being the 5s, the 10s, the 7s, and the 30s. Now, most important, we had a close, it looks like, at a yield on the 10-year at 3.84. That's the highest yield in almost a year. That means that we're looking at a 5.5% 30-year fixed mortgage. The game is can't get the long end down. On the other hand, the Treasury needs the interest rates up in the long end next week to attract buyers of $125 billion in Treasury paper. And for those of you who are subscribers, or those of you who request a copy of tomorrow's issue, those numbers of what they're going to do will be in there. So that is the significant point of the day. What did you have the USDX at? I know that the dollar was up all day. It's our government doing that.
It's up 1.21 at 80.70.
Just to bear out what I told you, up 1.21. Yesterday was down 1.40.
Mm-hmm.
It was down 121, and the government.
Bob, I don't know if you can hear me, but we're losing you.
So that's why you see this
Bob,
what they call
Bob?
choppiness in the market.
Bob, I lost.
And
I keep losing you, Bob.
make the Dow and the short end
Bob,
of the market.
I keep losing you.
Well, why do you think that is? Have you paid your phone bill?
Oh, you asking me that on the radio? Do I have to tell you?
Well, you notice it came on loud and clear when I mentioned the bill.
Yes, it did, didn't it? Marty Vance.
Are you through interrupting me, young lady?
Yes. But you did bug out there for quite a bit.
Look, why don't you just plug your hearing aid back in?
Ooh, we're feisty.
Hey, listen, I've only done 4 programs today, so you're number 5. And I got 2 tonight, one at 7 and one at 8. So I got a full day here, so I got a lot of strength. And but anyway, that's the feature of the day. The move in the 10-year, that's a high, significant total breakdown. The 30s broke down too, but the 30s aren't as popular as the 10 is, and so that's where the action goes. The manipulation is unbelievable and rampant, and these people who are in the stock market, if they think that this is going to continue, they're crazy. When this market goes down, they won't be able to hold on to anything. It's going to suck everybody straight down, and it's going to come. And, you know, I think we'll probably have a choppy market between now and the end of the month. Obviously, it's going to trade between 8,500 and 9,000. And once that's over, and we cross over into July, there will not be any rally this summer. You've seen the rally. I mean, it came from 6,600 to 8,800 or wherever it is. And the earnings for banks and financial institutions will start coming out the 3rd week in July, and they're going to be disastrous because of the Mickey Mouse bookkeeping that was used in the first quarter. They lied about everything. I mean, they've got CDOs, collateralized debt obligations, toxic junk that they're carrying on their books at 80 cents. It's worth 10. And that's how they made their, increases in earnings in the first quarter, by marking to model, not to mark to market. And they're also using all kinds of gimmicks that aren't going to work in the second quarter. It's not going to be nice. I didn't think we'd go this far. I didn't think the rally would carry to 8,700. It has. I had a top on it at 85, and I stand corrected. The professionals have got to know what's going on in here. And, you have the Secretary of the Treasury, Little Timmy, was over with the Chinese, and they booed him and and laughed at him when he said that the dollar investments that they had were safe. Now, they don't believe him 1 second. And if they don't believe them, I can assure the Chinese government doesn't believe them either. And so this is where we're at. This is where we're headed. And, boy, it's a great opportunity if you're still in the market to get rid of stock. I wouldn't hesitate, you know. You're only talking about another 1 or 2% in all probability. And it's a second chance to sell. Don't let it slip through your fingers. Also a second chance to get it out of your cash value